There we go, let's start getting this in. So if we take the wire to the back wheel. Down a bit. You know what might be a good idea?
Drop it because it's fucking heavy.
Go on, lift it up. What might be a good idea?
Well, I've dropped it now.
Yeah, you drop it now. What might be a good idea is because I've got to take this link out anyway. What's on the other side of this bottom one? You know this? What's on the bottom? That's Allen key, isn't it? Is it that one?
No, bigger. Bigger.
We're doing that one.
That's the one.
Sweet. It should just slide in all the way across. Happy fucking day. Yeah. And just tap it. Just need the right size socket, you know, just to use as a little bit of a leverage tool, just to smash it home. Ha ha ha! She is in! Just need that bolt. She's fucking in, mate.
Get rid of all this thing called it out then.
Yeah, that can all just go then. Fucking get that. And that can go in there. Not that one. The torque wrench going.
One out.
Yeah, because the upper one's for the front, because they're only 20. These are, I think, 58, but just going to double check. Photos. 48, sorry. Drop links for swing and arm, 48. Drag link pivot at frame, which is what that one is, 48. Yeah, Craig needs these back. He goes, you can borrow them, but when can I have them back? And I goes, you can have them back today. Right, 40, 42, 44, 46, 40.
When was it you was
bolts. So if we take that one out, but there's a load of spaces in this, so I'll thread it back in.
Fucking hell. There we go.
And you can have your space back in. There we go.
Yep.
Right. Can you pull that out?
Yeah.
Straight. Right. She's going straight back in. Where have I put them bloody washers?
On top of the pillion.
Right.
Yeah, when my dad come down to fetch me this morning,
Yeah. I'll thread it.
showed him like, and said you better get used to seeing this, didn't you? I said, what do you mean? So I might be buying it if he gets rid of it.
What's he say?
So what would you get rid of the ZZR? I said I'd have to.
The adapter on that's Greg's. Sweet. Ready to up with my feet? You know what? That should go straight through.
The next week.
She's a bit out, but she might. Happy days. She got the washer on?
Yeah.
Sorry. Well, that was a bit less dramatic than last week, wasn't it?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Jobs are good. And 20 Newton meters on the forks, and then Get around a bit. Well, before I do the forks, I'll drink my cup of tea. Not a noise you want to hear. So I don't go tight. Let's see if I can get in these ones with a torque wrench. Sean's 1050's gone, the Tiger. Yeah, picked up today.
What do you want it?
Or
close?
Pretty much. More than he was offered Part X from Stratford. So he's happy. He's took a fair loss on it. He's took about, obviously because I know the cameras running, I don't want to talk figures. But do you know the loss I took on the Intruder?
Not really. Tell me later.
I'll tell you later. Pretty much the same. Only Sean's had a bit more use out of that. Again, this is fiddly. I ain't taking anything else off this bloody bike though. That's the movement. No, it's not enough. I'm sitting on it next week. But new linkage all in. All torqued up. Foot pegs back on. Forks lowered. Jobs are good, finally. New back tyre as well. If we bar risers on this,
defeating the orbit now, are you?
No, but it might foul the fairing.
I think they were 50 mil mark. All right.
Because like we're not there now. Obviously you got the decent gap, but put bar risers on which will bring the handlebars up to about there-ish, say. I reckon they'll foul the fairing. Yeah, they'll foul the fairing, won't they? But happy days. That's better. I can reach the floor! So yeah, time to put the bike away. It's all back together again now. After getting that sleeve from Triumph from Stratford on Friday after work. It's now, that is unfortunately after Street Bike Shop, my closest Triumph dealership. But yeah, sleeve back in, all the bolts torqued up and tightened up properly, which is good. Reached the floor a hell of a lot better now, so I'm glad I did this. Still got to take it nice and steady because done about half a mile on this back tyre at the minute. But yeah, being able to reach the floor is slightly underrated, to be fair. No longer right on the balls of my feet. Stick or centre. But yeah, absolutely chucking it down, but I feel bad it being in my mate's shed, well, shed, garage, whatever you want to call it, and like his bolt got kicked out in order to leave this in there because obviously it wasn't safe to ride. Missing the sleeve in the linkage and just being held together with a 3/8 extension bar, just so that we could move the bike. But yeah, still seems I know it's early days and there's not a lot to actually say. You know, it's not really, I'm not really going anywhere, but it doesn't feel any different to rides, which is a positive. Obviously it's been lowered, but we have kind of done it proportionately front to rear. So yeah, proportionate front to rear lowering. Doesn't feel like I'm leaning forward anymore, doesn't feel like I'm sitting up. Doesn't look like it's nose down when you look at the bike, or nose up in the air. It looks balanced, so to be fair, I think I'm happy with that. Oh. Nasty junction this is. Oh. Go back. Go back. Oh. Okay, they're letting you go. You're gonna let me go? No, of course you're not. But I'll go now. Oh, the weather's horrible. The weather is bloody horrible. But yeah, time to take it and put it back in its rightful home. So yeah, I'm going to cut the video short there. Hope you've enjoyed this. It's been entertaining for me, I can tell you. So yeah, if you have enjoyed it, want to see more videos of SAF stuff like this and stuff not going right, which is, you know, all too common, give a like, give a share, give a subscribe.